I'm Sara Katrenich here with Markets Group and with Marc Zabicki, Chief Investment Officer of LPL Financial. Thank you for being here today.
Good to be with you.
Now, you just got off of your panel this afternoon, and tell me a little bit about your takeaways. Some re-weakening, some bonding, some things happening.
Well, right. So the V-shaped recovery we've seen in the equity market here in the last few weeks, we think is probably not going to last too much longer. So when you get these shocks to the system, we've seen the tariff shock to the system. If it follows on with economic weakness, then the market is more likely to kind of bounce back and then roll over again. We think that's the scenario to play out in this environment.
Okay, and you talked about inflation maybe being not as scary as it looks on the horizon?
They're correct. We think inflation scare is a little bit overdone. Obviously, there's going to be tariff impacts to the inflation scenario, where tariffs are going to push up inflation in the short term. Longer term being in the latter quarters of the year, inflation is likely to trend lower again, leaving plenty of room for bond prices to perhaps have a good overall year.
Great. And how are you liking the event today?
It's great. Always good to be with some nice colleagues, talking markets, talking shop a little bit. Learned a thing or two, actually, so a lot of fun.
Oh, that's awesome. I learned a lot today. Thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate it and hope to see you next year.
You're very welcome. Thank you.